Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see example 1. Find the area of the segment AYB. Here this is the segment AYB. We are asked to find area of this segment. So we need to find area of the segment AYB. This is the segment AYB. In fact, it is minor segment. Showing in the adjacent figure. Here this is the given figure. If the radius of the circle is 21 centimeter, OA is 21 and OB is also 21 centimeter. These two indicate radii. Each one is called radius. And AOB, angle AOB is 120 degrees. That is the angle made by the chord at the center of the circle is 120 degrees. So now we are asked to find the area of the segment AYB. Wherever it is required, we can use pi equal to 22/7 and root 3 as 1.732. So here let us start solving this problem. As we are in need of finding the area of the segment AYB, we can write area of segment AYB is equal to, here you see, if you consider the part OA and B, OAB, that is called sector of a circle, the region which is formed by the radii and the arc. This is called sector. In fact, it is minor sector and the remaining part is called major sector. So here we are going to find area of sector OAB, From this sector, we need to subtract area of the triangle OAB minus area of triangle OAB. So if we consider sector and from which if we subtract area of the triangle, then the remaining portion is the area of the segment. Here I would like to tell you clearly. See, this is the sector. From this sector, if you subtract the area of the triangle, then the portion what you get, this is the area of the segment. This is the required area. So now here we are going to find area of sector OAB and area of triangle OAB separately, and finally we will subtract them. So here first one is area of sector OAB. First let us find area of, AR means area of sector OAB. Here we need to remember the formula of area of sector. It is very easy. Area of a circle formula is pi r square. Let us write it. Area of the circle first, that is pi r square. Whereas if we happen to cover 360 degrees, for example, if we start at here this point, so here we can say at least A. If we start at A, again we come back to A, that means we have covered 360 degrees. But here you see, we have started at A and without reaching A, we have stopped at B. So out of 360, we are able to cover just 120 degrees. So here we can write it as out of 360, we are able to cover 120 degrees only. That's why the formula, the value is theta by 360 into pi r square, whereas theta here is 120 degrees. So 120 degrees by 360 into pi r square. In fact, the formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. It is given here, we can use pi value 22/7 and r is equal 21 centimeter. Let us substitute it. So before that, let us cancel this 0 and 0. 12 by 36 on cancellation, this is 12 1s are 12 3s are. So here we get 1 by 3. 120 by 360 means 1 by 3 into pi. Pi value can be taken as a 22 by 7. It is mentioned in the question. Same way, r square. R is 21. As we need r square, we can write 21 square. I am splitting it as 21 into 21. So here let us do cancellation. This is 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Here this 3 and 3 get cancelled one time. So here what is the leftover values here? What are the values? 22 and 21. 22 into 21. So here on multiplication, 21 2s are 42. 2 I am writing, still 4 is there. 21 2s are 42 plus 4 46. So it is 462. Since it is area, so square units will come here. Since unit is cm, so here cm square will come. That is called cm, centimeter square or square centimeter. So we are able to find area of sector OAB. It is ready. Now here we are going to find area of triangle OAB. Here you see, here we need to do the problem very carefully. We are going to find area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB. Actually, as you know, area of triangle formula is half into base into height. Here you see, if we draw from O1 perpendicular, name it as, let us do here construction, small construction. From O, I am going to draw perpendicular to the chord. As you know, perpendicular line drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. That means here whatever point you take, for example here I am taking this as some C. That means this perpendicular line drawn from the center of the circle to a chord AB, it will bisect the chord. Means we can say AC is equal to CB. It means C is the midpoint. So here AC is equal to CB. If we draw one perpendicular, the perpendicular will be the height of the triangle. If OC is the height, then AB is the base. Area of the triangle formula is half into base into height. Here base is AB. Half into AB into height is OC. But here you see, in this problem, OC is not given. At the same time, AB is also not given. So here our smallest targets are finding OC, and also if you find AC, then AC and CB measurements are same. So whatever value you get as AC, if you double it, you will get AB. So that we will get base also. Now here we are going to find two values. First one is that target 1 here. This is the short term target to find OC. Here OC is required, that is the height. And second target is finding base, that is AB. AB also we need to find. These two are required for us. For this, what are we going to do here? The thing is that here you observe carefully, it is 90 degrees, 90 degrees. And here AC is equal to CB. And OC common side. If not, OA is equal to OB because radii. Right. However you take, here you see 90 degrees, 90 degrees, they are like right angle. Here also right angle. If you compare these two triangles. And here OA is equal to OB. That can be taken as hypotenuse. Here also hypotenuse. We can take either OC is equal to CO common side or AC is equal to CB. However you take, that will be acting as one more side. So clearly by RHS axiom, these two triangles are congruent. So let us write here clearly by RHS congruency axiom, we can say triangle OCA is congruent to triangle OCB. It means these two angles by CPCT, congruent parts of corresponding triangles, are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. They are equal. So here this 120 is bisected. So that here what you will get, this side it can be split as 60 degrees and this side will be as 60 degrees. 120 degrees is bisected as 60 degrees and 60 degrees by CPCT. Corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal. So here let us consider the triangle OCA. So here I am going to separate the triangle OCA. Right. Now here is O, this is C, here it is 90 degrees and here is A. Here this is 21 centimeter and 60 degrees is here. That 60 degrees I am drawing at the same place. This is 60 degrees. Hope it is visible to you. Here OA is 21 centimeter, angle O is 60 degrees, angle C is 90 degrees. Now here are targets. First one we need to find OC. OC is the adjacent side to 60 degrees. At the same time this is hypotenuse. So here there is a trigonometric ratio, that is cos theta. So let us apply here cos theta, whose formula is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse, so that we will get the OC, that is adjacent side. So here let us apply cos theta. Cos theta formula is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. So here cos 60 degrees is equal to adjacent side is OC and hypotenuse is 21. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to OC by 21. On cross multiplication we will get OC is equal to 21 by 2 centimeter. So we got target 1. Target 1 is reached. Now the question is that we need to find AB. AB is nothing but 2 times of either AC or BC, since C is the midpoint. So here we can write 2 times of AC. That means here our target to find AC. Here you observe AC is the opposite side, this is the hypotenuse. So we can apply sin theta. Or else we got already 21 by 2, that is adjacent and hypotenuse. So here these two are known, so that we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So however you want, we will get AC. Now the question is that here I am applying sin theta. Sin theta formula is opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. So here sin 60 degrees is equal to, for 60 is opposite side is AC by 21 is hypotenuse. AC by 21. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 is equal to AC by 21. On cross multiplication, let us send 21 from right hand side to left hand side. So that here AC becomes, AC will be 21 into root 3 by 2. 21 root 3 by 2 centimeter. So we got AC. But our target to find AB. Therefore, AB is equal to 2 times AC. So 2 into 21 root 3 by 2. Let us cancel 2 and 2. We will get here 21 root 3 centimeter. Now, after finding AB and OC, now we are going to find area of triangle OAB. So let us go to the area of triangle OAB is equal to half into AB into OC. Here AB is 21 root 3 into AC is OC. OC here we got somewhere. Let us see. Here OC 21 by 2. OC is 21 by 2. So 21 by 2. Now here 21 into 21 is 441 into root 3 can be written as 1.732, that is mentioned in the problem, by 2 2s are 4. Here 2 into 2 is 4. On simplification, let us simplify here. Cancel 1.732 with 4. Here it will go 0.4 4s are 16. 1 is left, so 13. 4 3s are 12. Again 1 is left, so 12. Again 4 3s are 12. So here this is 441 into, this is 441 into 0.433 cm square. Since it is area, so here I don't have place, just I am cutting here cm square. This is the area of the triangle. Now already we got area of the sector. Area of the sector as 462 cm square. And just now area of the triangle, let us simplify this. 4 4 1 into, we take 433 separately in the rough column. 433, let us multiply. 3 1s are 3 here, 3 4s are 12 here, 1 is left. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 plus 12 plus 1 is 13. With 3 again we are the same value, that is here 3 2 3 1. Now let us do with 4. 4 1s are here 4 and 4 4s are 16. 4 4 16 plus 1 is 17 here. So here on adding we get 3 5, here this is 9 and this is 0, here 1 9 1 190953. Here after point, after decimal, 3 values are there. So here let us maintain the decimal. Here this is 190.953. So this value is 190.953 cm square. It indicates the area of the triangle. So here let us rub the rough column. Now here this is the area of the triangle OAB. Now the question is that we are asked to find area of the segment AYB. So let us conclude the problem. Therefore, area of segment AYB is equal to area of the sector OAB, that is 462. So 462 minus area of the triangle, that is here 190.953 is, this is to be subtracted from this. So here we do subtraction. For that we keep here 0 0 0. So here on subtraction 10 minus 3 is 7. And here this is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, here 9, 9 minus 9 is 0, and here 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, here it is 6. So here 46 means 16, this is the 7, and here 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So finally 271 point, here I am writing clearly, the required area is 271.047 centimeter square. So here you see the question, area of the segment AYB is 271.047 centimeter square. So with this example 1 gets completed.